Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics ZEB-BT6590RUCF 5.1 Multimedia speakers. From the image over here, you can tell that this is a 5.1 speaker system, comes with one subwoofer and 5 satellite speakers, also remote control. Let's see if there are any other information on any of these sides. Yeah, there's some extra information. The subwoofers is 2.96 kilograms, the satellites are 0.3 kilograms. Total 4.51 kilograms. That's about it. One input cable, one antenna cable. So that's more or less it. These are the satellites. Let's take them out. And that's your 5th satellite. Now let's go back to the box, see what else is there. There's a remote control for the device. Keep this one here. There's some other stuff here. This is of course the user manual. Read this one here. These are the 5 wall mounts. There you go, you can see them. Read them here as well. There's some RCA and extra cables. That's over there. A packet of screws. And there's also this stereo to RCA adapter as well. The 3.5 on one side and stereo to RCA on the other. And finally we have the subwoofer. So there you are, this is what the subwoofer looks like. These are your controls, the standby, play, pause and auto. This is basically how you use to control all the modes. The volume blockers over this side. This is the input that you use to cycle through all the different inputs like Bluetooth, USB, aux and even radio. Your SDMC cards go here and this is your USB output. Over here we have a lot of ports. These are your audio output ports. There's audio input ports over here as well. There's many of them including DVD output. And this is of course your power on off button. And this is the part that goes inside the power socket. And that's it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Zebronics ZEB-BT6590RUCF 5.1 Multimedia speaker. Thank you for watching.